Pantone color of the year 2018 is Ultraviolet. We are going to show you how you can recreate that color using a couple of Fusion Mineral Paints colors. This color was brought to the forefront of Western pop culture by such artists as Prince, David Bowie, and Jimi Hendrix. So let's get to it. So we are going to get started off with a red called Cranberry. What we're going to do is a very simple recipe here. We are going to do 3 parts cranberry. So I'm going to use, this is a teaspoon. I'm going to do 3 parts into a cup. And just so you can see the color, I'm going to put it right here. Super pretty. All right, so we'll let that one sit to the side. And then we're going to take 3 parts of Liberty Blue. There we go. Another 3 tablespoons here. There we go. And just so you can see how gorgeous and vibrant this color is, pour some here. And the final color that really adds a little bit of that ultraviolet to it is our Tones for Tots little teapot. So it's just 1 part of this. So pour that in there and we will give it a stir. And just so we can see what this color looks like, put it right here. Nice and vibrant. It's really gonna lighten it up and really pop. And now I'm just gonna mix it. I'm gonna grab a paint stick and just gonna give it a stir. You may not see the color on the outside, but look at that. If that doesn't scream Prince and Jimi Hendrix, I don't know what does. Look at that. That's awesome. I am falling in love with Pantone Color of the Year 2018. Why don't we see what it looks like now next to these? Ooh, beautiful, luscious, ultraviolet purple. I'm gonna paint something with it. Super exciting. It's kind of a neat pattern on here too with this color. I don't know about you, but I am in love with Pantone 2018 here. I can't wait to find a nice big piece of furniture to paint with. This just shows you how easy it is to custom blend and create your own colors. And if you take a look at our website at fusionmineralpaint.com and you look at colors, you'll be able to see that we have a full range of custom blends that you can also create as well. They've got the recipes there and it's really straightforward and easy to follow. So it's absolutely limitless as to how you can use Fusion in terms of getting brand new colors.